In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood Legend for trading and monitoring your investments on the browser. If you're new to Robinhood Legend or just looking to get comfortable with its features, this guide will help you set up your workflow from start to finish, all within a single seamless platform. Let's get started by opening up your internet browser and logging into your Robinhood account. Simply go to the Robinhood website and type in your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, look for the Robinhood Legend option, usually found in the main menu or dashboard area. Go ahead and click on it to launch the Legend Trading Workspace. When the Legend Workspace opens, you'll see a highly customizable area that allows you to tailor your view to fit your trading style. At this point, you can either choose a pre-made layout template or build your own workspace. To do this, simply drag and drop different widgets to your screen. The workspace includes widgets like charts for visualizing stock data, watch lists for tracking your favorite stocks, and option chains if you're interested in options trading. Don't be afraid to experiment. Moving widgets around is easy, and you can always reset your layout if you change your mind later. Now, when you're ready to place a trade on a stock, there are a couple of ways to get started. You can click directly on a stock in your watch list or dive into it from a chart. Once you've selected your stock, you'll find a clear trade option. Click that and then choose whether you want to buy or sell. Next, enter the amount or quantity you wish to trade. Before submitting, take a moment to review your order on the next page. Double check all the details, and if everything looks good, hit Submit to complete the trade. Robinhood Legend also gives you robust tools for analysis. To analyze a stock, simply click on a chart widget. You'll be able to select your preferred chart type, such as line, bar, or candlestick charts, and add technical indicators or even draw trend lines and support or resistance levels right onto the chart. This can give you valuable insights into the stock's performance and help you make more informed trading decisions. Keeping track of your investments is just as important as placing trades. To review your open positions or any orders you've placed, open the Positions or Orders widget. These sections allow you to monitor your holdings and review order history. If you need to modify or close a position, just click on the relevant item and follow the instructions. That's the full basic workflow for trading and monitoring your portfolio inside Robinhood Legend. By combining these steps, customizing your workspace, placing trades, analyzing stocks, and monitoring positions, you can efficiently manage your investments all in one place. Thanks for watching and happy trading.